Okay guys, I picked up a new product. I saw it on Facebook and I thought it was pretty cool. So it's called Windshield WOW. And I bought this myself. I am not sponsored by them or anything. There's their website, by the way. So what this is a windshield, window cleaning system. I see using it anywhere really. That has two very strong magnets. Let's see. So this is the cheapest kit. I think it's like $40. It comes with these two pieces and then some microfiber cloths. What these are is strong magnets with Velcro on them, and they flex some pretty stiff actually. That way, forward way they flex. And they come in this protective thing so that it holds the magnet so you don't wreck anything. And there's the other one. So what you do with these, let me change the view a little bit. Ooh, and that's a really good magnet. Okay, back you up a little bit here. So, yeah, probably avoid doing that. So that's another reason why to have these things. They're not super duper strong though. You can get them off okay. So they have some weird sheets for getting off other stuff. I'm just going to use, it comes with quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10 looks like. And they're just for the size of the thing. So what I'm going to do, put one in the thing. Center it that way, sort of. Doesn't have to be, but and they're two-sided, so you could definitely flip them over. And right onto the ground. It's just Windex. Okay, so now I'll take the outside one. That's the handle. I think I'll find a better place. Put them up. I'm going to just put it on the windshield up in this top corner. Just set it there. Here, let me change my view for you again. And then you take the other one. And again, these are magnetic. This one I'm going to spray for the inside of the window. Pretty good. Or, and, oh, it does go up high. Look at that. Sucked right onto it. So now, you got one inside, one outside, and then you slowly, holy crap, it actually really sucks onto the window. Like I'm pushing pretty hard to move it. Look at that, follows it. That's pretty cool. Oh! Must have pulled it off slightly. Oh, I hit the center thing. So you gotta watch for things like that. Jesus. You get right down in that spot that's really hard to reach on the inside. how it kind of. Okay. Avoid that. This is actually an arm workout. I mean, it's hard for me to think, but like here, I cannot look at my finger. See how red it's turning? And it's not easy to push. Like, whoop, you go. Oh, and I hit the side. So that's where you gotta get used to. Because if you break that magnet, it's gonna fall. So far, I've been lucky it hasn't fallen into the dirt. Which I really should have cleaned in there beforehand. But this is really hard. And I do it again. We'll do the same thing over here. So I'd call that pretty good. Bring it over here where I can reach it. And they're still fairly clean. I'm probably gonna go do the truck after I finish. Set that onto the rubber so I don't stick it right to the. So now I can just use this to finish off. Well, and it did say to go dry right after. So I'll probably switch pads. To dry pads. Oh yeah, I get some dirt off. Okay. So now I'm going to put those pads off to the side. I'll use them on the truck. Okay. So that's the outside one. Pretty dirty. And that was the inside. A little bit. Not too bad. Okay. So now the same thing with the dry pads. Just kind of make a nice guide. They suck down to the hood so they get a good adhesion to the thing. Alright, so these are dry. By the way, if you're wondering, it's like 30 degrees today. The first warm day we've had in a long time. Okay. Go with the dry. Almost lost her. And probably depending on what product you're using, you'll end up with a better streak-free finish. I'm just using some old Windex. And I don't really like the regular Windex. I've used the vinegar type, and that I like better. But there's some other better glass cleaners out there, of course. So I'll go do the other side. It's still got some moisture. Again, I don't really care for Windex that much. That should dry. Fortunately, we have the geese to contend with over here, but they might quiet down. I gave them some corn, so I switched the pads already to the dirty ones, and I actually put the dirty side on the Velcro side because they're double-sided. It's just microfiber cloths. You could buy them anywhere. So. I overdid it a little bit there. And again, I'm not even going to put up the windshield wipers because you can't get down that far. Well, I mean you can, but not with the inside. It really. They don't look down there anyhow. So I found if you like roll the inside one in, hold this edge against the window, and then bring it up, it's a lot easier. And that way you don't get it folded over. I didn't spray that inside one. Oh. It's pretty wet though. Just gonna go with it. It's just pretty wet. Pretty far down there. This one's a little bit easier because all I have is the mirror thing, and then there's the sunshade stuff, which is probably a little bit rougher, but it ain't rough enough. Pushing side to side is a lot easier than going up and down. Because then, well, it's just physics. You're able to use your muscle and whatnot. And I prefer leaving marks that way, anyhow. Surprisingly not that horrible inside. So now I'll use the clean side of the dry ones. They're fairly dry. Oop. Enough. Ooh. course, the outside was quite dirty. Alright. That one there. Yeah, they're pretty dry. Yeah. Left a little ridge in the middle of stuff, but just gonna leave that. So that's that. Pretty darn cool. So for storage, I'm just gonna put these back in. Actually, for storage, I think I'll put pads on so they're ready to go. Alright, hold one. Oh, I put the dirty one in here. Oh. Stick them together. Didn't mean to do that. Those are clean ones. I thought I saw. Oh, piece of grass blew in there. And I still have several. Have enough to do another vehicle easily. Yeah. Just keep them in the box and I'll bring them in the house even. That is pretty slick. That was way cleaner than it was. And I mean, if you want to dick around more, I'm sure you could get that streak in the middle too, you know. But I don't care that much. I'm probably not even going to drive this for a while, so. That is way cleaner than it's been in years, though. That's just awesome. Another thing, I'm going to go around with the dirty ones that aren't super dirty. Clean my mirrors and stuff with them. Might as well.